Good morning all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the beautiful Wollaton Park, so why don't you come along with me and see what I see. Plenty of activity today guys. The herons are now building the nests. There's quite a few of them in the heronry as we call it. Hopefully I can share the footage here with you. As you can hear behind me, the Egyptian geese are pairing up, calling out to each other, fighting and squabbling as they do. Amongst the rain and the sunshine, got a beautiful stag lying in the sun. It's still looking so majestic. Right guys, I think I'm going to call it a day now because it's absolutely torrential raining. But I hope you enjoy the footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it costs you nothing. If you'd like to support me and my channel, I've got a buy me a coffee which I'll link below, and enjoy.